Smith Corona Skyriter. I got some new spools for it, but if you look at the old spools, well, you can see that new spools are just too damn big. But if you look very close, that you'll see these lines. Okay, I don't know what those lines are necessarily supposed to represent, but if you put the old spools right on top, line them up just so, you'll find that that inner concentric circle is right about the same size as this spool to fit in there. So what you can do, and I've started to do this already, is take a pair of scissors and just cut right through that plastic. Right along that line. I'm going to cut away now and come back. So I've chopped that spool down with just a pair of scissors. It's not perfect, but it fits just great. Now, minor problem, very minor problem. There might be too much ribbon on this other spool fit in there. So, just spool it up on this spool so you got enough ribbon to go ahead and chop this out. Saves you the time of trying to take all this ribbon off and spool it onto your old spools. I would still suggest you keep your old spools. Always keep your old spools. The ones that are made to fit, maybe came with the machine, maybe didn't. Always keep a set of original spools handy.